Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investment. It's a kind of small analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is how the daily chart of Nifty looks like. So the complete week is like a panic week. So from almost 10,742 point, we dropped down to 8,555. So this is a kind of drop of almost around how many points you can say, like 700 from here and then 1500, so somewhere around 2200 points or 20% a drop, and then it recovered from the 20% drop almost around 5% or 17%, 13% it recovered on the Friday. So it was a kind of good day on Friday, and we will just have a look at the support levels. If you just go through my previous video, these are the support levels which I have mentioned based on the previous opening and closing and where it made a high or something like that. So these levels observed to be very crucial for Monday also. On the upper side, 10,132, 10,300, 10,500, 550 levels, and then 10,650 levels are important levels for the Nifty to bounce back. Just have a kind of small glance on the 5-minute chart how it looks like. It went up, down on the Friday session, closed like it went down around 10%, and then market was closed for 45 minutes, reopened, and then from there it just gained completely and then went up to 10,132 level during this 12:30 to 1:30 session. From there it took a resistance and then came down and took a support at this 9780 level, and then recovered a couple of the losses and then closed at 9990. So this is how it performed over this week. So this 12:30 to 1:30 session is a kind of crucial session where you can go for a kind of put option or kind of call option over here. So these two timings are very crucial. This is how it performed over the last week if you closely observe on the 5-minute chart. Let's have a small look at option chain data of Nifty. So in Nifty option chain, on a weekly expiry, this 9,000 level have placed a very crucial kind of support for the Nifty. So here if you see on the Friday, so it the opening or the open interest on this 9,000 put option where started at 7 lakh level. From there it rose up to 16 lakh level, and then the same thing on the higher side, if you go, this 11,000 might act as a very good resistance for the Nifty. So over this coming another 14 days, these two levels has to be watched, where this open interest is going to drop or any kind of covering is happening. So we have to closely watch where this open interest drop is happening. So that side the Nifty might go ahead. So this is a small kind of recap about Nifty. And the next crucial levels to watch out for Nifty is this 10,132 where it made a high, and then 10,300, and then 10,544 levels. Everything is based on the global market, how this SGX Nifty is going to perform. And then coming back to Bank Nifty, let's have a kind of small session about Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty also performed in the same manner how Nifty performed. It shared almost a kind of how many points, 5,500 points compared to the Monday opening. So it was a kind of open high, you can say 50 points gain, and then dropped completely, and then the complete week is a kind of mayhem or kind of panic selling over the Bank Nifty. A lot many stocks have come up to their lifetime lows or something like that, or sorry, 52-week low. So it's a kind of good opportunity to grab some kind of very good stocks over this time. And then if you come to the 5-minute session, this kind of lines, so this is how it performed. It went up to 10% low. From there it regained and then took a support at 23,000 level. So all this level I have marked on the Thursday itself. If you can go back to my video, Thursday's video, you can see all this level. From there it went up and then took a resistance over here at 24,600 levels, and then came down, went up, and 12:30 to 1:30 it went up to the high of 25,594. From there it resisted and then came down to this 24,600 or 24,000. What is the low made here? 24,250 levels, and then from here it went up and then closed somewhere near this day's closing level of 25,364 346. So for next week, Bank Nifty, the crucial levels to be watched are this 25,600, and then this level 26,000. So 25,600, 26,000, 26,600. These are the crucial levels which you have to look on the upper side, and on the lower side it might go down back to 25,000, 25,100, and then maybe this closing level 23,000 or 24,000. So 25,100 and then 24,600. It's because of cluster. So 24,100, 24,600, and then 24,000, 24,000, 24,600. These are the levels which you have to consider on the downtrend. So 12:30 to 1:30, have a kind of watch over Nifty and Bank Nifty, where you can take put options, and then around 2:30 to 2:40, the level which you can go for call option. And then coming back to the last session, so we are glad to launch this TLP program. TLP program is nothing but train like a pro and trade like a pro. In this 2 days technical workshop, which is going to happen at Chennai on 11th and 12th of April, we will be covering the technical part, chart analysis, chart trading, basically candlesticks, and then how you can read the graphs and everything, and also technical analysis and technical trading and moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci retracement. These three will give you a stock selection criteria. Based on these three and combining these three, you can go for a very good stock selection. So that technique will be taught, and then a major part on option selection, both at Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also on equity part, how you can select options and how you can trade options. What is the holding period, what is the range you can select, what is the kind of strike price you can go upon, whether you can go with trending option chain option trading, or with the mean reversal option trading. So these two techniques we will be covering throughout this. So for detailed course content and for early bird offers, you can contact me over my WhatsApp, and also I have given my Telegram channel also, so you can contact through any of this and book your seats to gain these offers. So just pay me your stop loss or your stop losses, and then just go ahead and book your profit at the market. So that is how it is going to be. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.